Today, I want to discuss an essential aspect of protecting our homes and our families: home insurance. Home insurance is a crucial safeguard that provides financial protection and peace of mind in the face of unexpected events that could damage or destroy our homes. Home insurance offers coverage for a variety of risks that homeowners may face, including damage from natural disasters such as fires, storms, floods, and earthquakes, as well as theft and liability for accidents that occur on our property. It helps cover the cost of repairing or rebuilding our homes and replacing our belongings in the event of a covered loss, ensuring that we can recover and rebuild without facing financial issues. But home insurance is about more than just protecting our physical assets. It's also about protecting the people we love and the memories we've created in our homes. Our homes are more than just buildings. They're the places where we raise our families, celebrate milestones, and find comfort and security. Home insurance ensures that we can continue to create cherished memories and provide a safe and stable environment for our loved ones, even in the face of adversity. There are different types of home insurance policies to choose from, each offering varying levels of coverage and protection. Standard home insurance policies typically cover the structure of our homes, as well as our personal belongings, liability protection, and additional living expenses if we're temporarily displaced from our homes due to a covered loss. The truth is, none of us can predict when disaster will strike, and being unprepared can have devastating consequences. Home insurance provides a safety net that can help us weather the storms of life and protect the things that matter most to us. So, my friends, I urge you to take a moment to consider the importance of home insurance and ensure that you have the coverage you need to protect your home and your family. Myworldstuffs.com cover finance topics such as insurance, loans, and credit cards. Can provide valuable information and assistance in several ways. It offers in-depth articles, guides, and tutorials that help readers understand various financial concepts. This educational content can empower individuals to make informed decisions about insurance, loans, and credit cards.